Very busy MotoGP schedule to be with us here today. We couldn't do this without you. Now, honestly, ladies and gentlemen, I've never even met Valentino before.
Obviously.
It's a great honour.
Yeah, quite obvious.
So we haven't rehearsed.
No.
Rehearsed this, have we? No, we've never even met.
No.
No, but Valentino, what we're going to do, I'm going to drive this as a car to that ramp. Once it goes that ramp, you take over and you're going to ride it like a motorcycle out through that gateway there, okay?
We have to do some knee slides.
Can we see your knee slides? He's got the knee sliders on and everything. Wow. So we're going to get really stick. Let me hear you go.
All right.
Louder.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know how to tell it. I don't. Who wants to break into it? That's not Valentino. I tried to explain it. Oh, hey, ladies and gentlemen, Russ Swift. Who's gonna tell him? I mean, I thought it was quite obvious, but obviously it's not just his hearing that's a problem. Obviously his eyesight's pretty bad too. I mean, I tried, right? You were witness. I tried telling him that is not Valentino Rossi. I was gonna say we were trying to get Valentino, but Valentino, we couldn't afford his talent fee, so well, I guess we just have to do with the Green Hills version, the pirated one. Here's the third world Valentino Rossi coming up! Perfect! What happened? Oh, okay, I guess he assumed that he knew, but now he's got to give me the instructions. When it leans to the right, you lean to the left. Lean to the left, you lean to the right, okay. I guess you just assumed Valentino, or the fake Valentino would know that, but alright, we'll give him another chance. Here we go. All eyes on the fake Valentino and the real Russ Swift. It's the ramp at the exact speed. Oh! What now, Russ? What's wrong? No, it's not. He's not in there. I tried to tell you, Russ. I really tried. They were yelling out. They were saying it's not. We tried. I was trying to tell you we wanted Valentino. We couldn't afford his talent fee because you took it. Oh. So Russ, what did you work with it? These people have all come out. It's too late. Okay. All right. Just work with it, Russ. The best we can do at short notice. I'm sorry. I did try to explain. Took you long enough, though. I was just going to, we're trying to explain. All right. What were you yelling out? Jolly B? What? He's Jolly B. All right. Maybe with a little bit of coaching from the expert Russ Swift, he has to be millimeter perfect here as he enters the ramp. And of course, Russ Swift with the knee sliders and everything. He was good, Russ. I thought there for a moment we were doomed. Yeah, I was winding up. This guy is the national champion of where? India, I guess. But just, you think you could do a passenger? You think he thinks he can handle a passenger? Can he? Yeah, it's getting big competitive. We'll try. Come on, get back here. We'll get Irish over here. Oh, it's up. It's like United Nations, Irish and
United Nations.
All right, jump in the front.
Dalawa. Tapos yung isa sa likod ni ano.
Neil Raj.
Oh, sa likod ni Russ.
Big Valentino. All right, good job, man. Well done. Be good. All right, here we go, Russ. Here we go. 2 on board this time. We have an Englishman, an Irishman, and an Indian in the car. different when you get 3 people on board. You can do it! Come on, Russ, that's why we blew the doors up! Oh, that was close. That was close. All right, bring it back, Russ. Let's see. As he steps out, ladies and gentlemen, Russ Swift, everyone. Good job, man. Good job. That is good. That is good. That is good. So good. While you're doing that, someone was yelling out there, "Billy can't take another one." He's right. You think he could? One more? One more. Let's get another person from the audience. Here we go. Who's this? Kian. Hi, Kian. Right, I did say he treats the women differently, right? Totally different. Look at all the attention. Valentina, come on, we need you. Willing naman si Kuya. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 4 on board, totally different ball game now. This is a fully loaded car. You see the reason we're doing this. 5 is fine, there's 4 in there. The reason we're doing this is because, well, it's very important that for this to be really an effective transformer crossover vehicle thingamabobby, we need to basically make sure that it takes 4 people like a car. If it just took 2 people, you may as well be on a motorcycle. This is 4 on board with the comfort, safety, and security of a car, but in traffic, you can take up a footprint of a motorcycle. With the world's #1 behind the wheel, can he do it with 4 on board? This will be the ultimate test. If he makes it, this could be the solution to Metro Manila traffic. And all around the world, we can duplicate this and proudly own this technology right here at NIS 2018! All the way! All the way to the end! Go, Russ, go! 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 Yes! Yes! Boom! The Russ is such a brought to you by C-Tech, Glow Pump, Somex, Sakura, Consulon, Black Rhino, Nito, Shell, Motul, and Motion Cars. One last round of applause, please.